Well, you're along with me on this ride. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't work. We're gonna find out together. Wow, look at this morning. Oh, look how beautiful it is with the fog. Yesterday I bought threaded rod in 2 3-meter pieces, and I had them cut it down to the 1.5-meter pieces that I need, and I have to grind the part where they cut it in order to put it into the sculpture. But that's the plan for today. So I have nuts and washers in here, and oh my goodness, they're heavy. Okay, so here we go, off to the studio. I'm gonna probably just set these down over there and then go off to breakfast. But I wanted to show you how beautiful this is. What luck we have. It's so gorgeous. And today it's quiet. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to make some videos. The guava tree is just full of guavas, and the ground is full of guavas. I wish I could show you some chachalacas, but they're pretty skittish, so I haven't been able to really film them. Okay. All right, so let's get in here. Gonna set that down there and set those down there. Those are perfect. Well, it's kind of magical. Wish I had a gimbal. All right, heading off for breakfast. See you later. Here's the base, and I've screwed the feet down onto it. And what I figured out so far is that I think I need another layer of the thick cardboard because I don't like the way that the feet are sort of flying. So now they're all screwed down where I want them to be. I can go through and drill the holes. I'll drill a little bit and then I'm gonna take it over to the drill press to make sure that it's straight. All right, so I have the holes drilled where I want them to be drilled here in the top. The holes go all the way through to the bottom. And what I have to do now is take this wood plug off. There are screws in here that I'm gonna avoid. And I'm gonna line this up right here. This part of the plug should be equal to this part of the top because this sits into the sonotube and this sits into the sonotube, both of these parts. So if I line them up equally around, and these are straight down, so I should be able to make a circle, a little circle there. Let me do that again because once I take this off of here, it's going to be much harder to do it. So let's try. Good, 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 good. All right, so back to the drill press. I'm going to countersink underneath and drill through the top, and we'll see how it goes. Well, you're along with me on this ride. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't work. We're gonna find out together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weight the bottom because what I found out in this earthquake, or these several earthquakes that we just had, was that the sculptures with the weight on the bottom didn't fall over. Despite being very tall and skinny, like this one over here, that one, which is called Holding Up the Sky, didn't fall over. It's, I don't know, 6 feet, 7 feet tall. It's heavy on the bottom. I weighted the bottom. That's probably why it didn't go. So that's what we're gonna do right here, right now. And I'm gonna do that with these washers. And this through here. Now I'm going to set the sonotube over and stick it back down on the bottom. When I finish, I'll glue this together here at the bottom. Okay, so this goes this way, and let's see if it works. Yay, success! Drill, foot, hole. Okay, well, I'd say that was a pretty successful day. I'm very excited. Off camera, I'm gonna take it all apart again, glue it all together again, and then next week I can show you how I bend these rods a little bit and how I'm gonna put the rest of the figure on top of this. So, thumbs up, subscribe, everything. Let's keep going.